Welcome to Spitzer Nissan Findlay, and here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale, and comes equipped with navigation, heated rear seats, heated front seats, heated seats, perforated leather-trimmed upholstery, third row seating, dual glass panoramic power moonroof, HomeLink, Starlink Apple CarPlay Android Auto, Starlink Safety and Security Emergency Communication System, and has less than 55,000 miles on the odometer. Saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests, and we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Nissan Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.